Hey guys, it's day
That nigga
3.
got out the car, bruh. He got out the car. I'm sorry.
No, you good, you good. We're at Bojangles right now trying to get breakfast before our boat ride. And it's this couple behind us. They're like fighting in the car. Like we could clearly see them. Like they like going crazy back there.
It was real live. Like the dude is gone. He got out the car, bruh. And I saw him like
got
acting
out
like
the
he was
car.
about to get out. He ain't even in there no more.
They keep. Oh, he got out.
Yeah, he not in the car, bruh.
Oh yeah, we trying to make this boat ride to go like dolphin watching, like in the water. It's gonna be so nice. It starts at 1, but they was like get there 45 minutes before, which is now. But we getting food. Yeah. How you feel?
Y'all know I'm a Virgo. Man, what is shit crazy, son? I told y'all that last week. Getting this money, I'm making this money, I'm making this money.
We're here, guys. Hopefully they didn't leave. We got 15 minutes to spare. I wear a mask. I can't wear sunglasses too. It's one or the other. It's too much on my face.
All right, let's go. We got like 10 minutes.
Yeah, let's go.
This shit about to be fun, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah. Yeah, I missed like this whole thing last time we was here.
I'm excited and nervous.
I think it's gonna be good. Yes.
Let me scan your tickets.
Okay.
And then I can help you with the park. Okay.
I have it on my phone here.
If you just zoom in on those for me.
Okay.
You scroll down. You're going to fill out this information. Once you fill it out, you'll hit complete payment down at the bottom, and then it's going to take you to a page, and it's going to say all set! Exclamation point. That means you're all set, and you don't have to worry about parking.
Okay.
This is like a sticker we put on our car.
Nope.
Okay.
Once it says all set, you guys are all set. We have cars that come through that scan the plates, and it tells them who paid and who didn't.
Oh, okay.
So they don't tow. They only give tickets.
That's cool.
Yes.
All set?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're all set. You guys
All
are
right.
good.
Thank you.
I appreciate you.
This look lit, low
There's
key.
some funny shit, though.
It's like a nice boat. Like I can't.
I don't think it's gonna
get
be
anything.
raining. It's a lot of white.
Watch your step coming down that ramp. There's a little step down here at the bottom.
Okay.
I want you to miss that.
Yep. They're seating inside and outside.
Okay.
Restroom, snack bar also inside as well.
Okay. I ain't gonna lie.
Sorry, my lip gloss.
This shit, dude. Yeah.
I tried.
Yeah. She did good. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Shaped like a bottle.
How you feel?
Y'all know I'm a Virgo. Man, what is shit crazy, son? I told y'all that last week.
Yeah, it's getting crazy out there. We're turning around because of the weather conditions aren't good.
I was watching that shit the whole time. I was like, bro,
It slowly, yeah. We came back
At least
inside.
we got a refund.
Yeah, that's true.
We still got on there.
We still had fun. I wasn't expecting it, honestly. Yeah, the weather is getting, the waves are getting way too rocky. so we're turning around and they're gonna give us a refund. But I mean, we had a little bit of fun though. Well, guys, this is what our boat ride turned into. A bunch of rain, and we're leaving.
But he
just walked in front of the car, yep. But, you know, Virginia Aquarium, that's where it was at. I put my jacket on because I was a little cold, but good thing though. Watch her, she went across the street. Dang, they kicking, dang, all that water. Anyway, they gave us this little card. They said we could call the guest services and they could refund us our money, or we could use the money that we bought for the tickets for something else, I guess, for another day. But we were just about to go back to the hotel because it's gonna be like this for like another hour. We're probably gonna come back around like 4:30. We're supposed to stop around 4:30 or 5. It's 2:24 right now. Just focusing on me, but y'all see the time. So yeah, it's lightning and thundering out here. Out here at Bird Neck. Bird Neck.
Bird Neck.
I swear I seen a road that said Good Neck. I was about to say, y'all wildin', bruh.
Good neck, you know.
Yeah, I'm over here at Good Neck, you know.
Good. That neck is good.
Oh, this is where Fun Park is. Wow. My man got the Jordans on, bruh. At the water.
But nah, like last time I came here, it was crazy out here. There's a lot of people out here. Last time
Me too. Yeah, me too. It's nice and sunny. It's perfect. Like you were just saying, the weather is not too hot or cold. It's not too many people. It's not crowded. It's perfect. We got our little chairs set up. We got our snacks. Living life. I'm watching these birds though. They a little too close.
Ooh, bro.
And people be feeding them. That's why they be. And you don't drop too many crumbs, so they be over here.
They ganged up. They all go on with it.
Oh, look what he did. It's going on the vlog. This is so cute. He's putting our initials in the heart. Oh. No, it look good. Oh, that's so cute.
I don't like them birds.
Babe, why you knew it was coming. Why you run? It came with a vengeance.
There you go. That one ain't coming.
Nah, it's low and slow. Oh.
Had a little time with it.
Woo! Woo! That one came high. You feel yourself sinking down when it when it
I'm gonna
goes
see how
up?
long I can stay in here. I'm gonna take it.
Nah, I ain't. That's getting too
That got
far.
pretty high, I ain't gonna lie.
Look how far it's going.
Oh shit.
All right, it's getting intense. He's sinking, yo. All right, let's see how they looking back there. It's gonna be a big one. I don't think so. No. Oh wait, it might. Yep, it's coming.
I'm getting lower and lower.
Right? Yeah, my feet are like completely under. He over there. I forgot what shoes he gonna put on. I don't want to get in the camera because I'm crusty, but the vlog's about to end. We're sad. We don't want to leave. We really liked it here. We gotta come back.
A little scruffy right now, but it was a success. You know what I'm saying? A little vibes and shit going. You know, gotta do it again. Do it longer.
Yeah, we do.
Some stuff we meant to do, we didn't get to do.
Yeah,
To the full extent. But
that's true.
had a good time.
We did. I really enjoyed like every day.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's just what the room looking like, and I'll see y'all later. Y'all, we just checked out of the hotel. It's been real. I'm trying to get both of us in this. About to hit this road.
Yeah, about to get the road trip on. I kind of got to pee, but I'm holding.
I guess we'll see y'all when we get home.
Yeah, we just got to be rush hour. You know what I'm saying? We'll be all right.